Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to build a really cool scrolling text banner right here. Take a look at what we are actually going to build today. It is a smooth loop that repeats the phrase, "made with Mother Earth in mind." A simple feature, but it adds a super dynamic, modern vibe to the page that immediately catches the eye. Now, I will copy this layout by using Smind Sections. Head over to your Shopify admin dashboard and open up the Smind Sections app. Click Section and find the Scrolling Features section that you'll see we have only two layouts right there, and install one of them. Click Customize and you'll be taken to your live Shopify theme editor. Scroll down a bit and click on the Add section. Find that new Scrolling Features section we just installed and click it. Okay, let's change what this banner actually says. First, we have to remove the default feature item blocks and keep only one. Then look over to the right-hand panel, clear out that default icon and text, and type in your own custom message. For example, I'm going to type "made with Mother Earth in mind." Next, we need to add the color block, where you can use the color picker to find the exact background and text colors that perfectly match your brand's overall vibe. Click back onto the main scrolling features heading in the left sidebar so we can see the overall section settings. Under Scrolling Settings, you can choose your scroll direction, either left to right or right to left. You can play with the speed slider to move the speed control to make things go fast or slow. And you can also adjust the spacing, like the gap between items and divider thickness to space out your text perfectly. Right below those sliders, I definitely recommend turning on the Enable Edge Fade effect. It creates this super sleek gradient blur at the edges of the screen. If you don't want this effect, you can turn it off. Moving down to the Content Settings area, you can use the sliders to tweak the item max width and text size. To make sure your banner looks flawless on any device, we set the same values for both desktop and mobile. Next, we have to customize the container style for this text. If you want your text to live inside these pills, check the box that says Customize Content Container Style. From here, you can change the border thickness and opacity, bump up the corner radius for those nice rounded edges, and finally add the shadow blur to create a 3D effect for the pills. After that, we need to scroll down to the very bottom to the section padding settings. This lets you adjust the top and bottom spacing so your scrolling banner has plenty of breathing room between the other sections on your page. If you want to change the color background for this section, go back to the color block and choose it again. Take a look at your preview window, and once everything is looking exactly the way you want it, go ahead and click the Save button. And that's it, we're done. And thanks for watching my video, and see you at the next one.